Do you know who discovered the law of gravity? Or, who proposed the theory of relativity? Have you ever heard of the biophysicist who helped determine the structure of DNA, or the mathematician who invented the first computer program? In this captivating video, we take a deep dive into the world of science and explore the lives and accomplishments of 13 great scientists who changed the world. From Isaac Newton to Stephen Hawking, these brilliant minds made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe and the natural world. Through their discoveries and innovations, they have shaped the way we live our lives today, from the technology we use to the medical treatments we rely on. Join us on this journey of discovery as we learn about the groundbreaking work of Marie Curie, Charles Darwin, and other pioneers in their respective fields. From the development of the laws of motion to the discovery of electromagnetism, their achievements have paved the way for new discoveries and innovations that continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Whether you are a science enthusiast, a history buff, or simply curious about the world around you, this video is sure to inspire and captivate you. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the incredible achievements of these 13 great scientists who changed the world. Isaac Newton. Newton was born in 1642 and is widely considered one of the most important scientists in history. He is known for developing the laws of motion and universal gravitation, which helped to explain the movements of objects in the universe. Newton was also a mathematician and developed calculus, which is still used today in fields such as physics and engineering. He was a Fellow of the Royal Society and served as Master of the Mint in England. Albert Einstein. Einstein was a German physicist who is known for developing the theory of relativity, which fundamentally changed our understanding of space and time. He also made significant contributions to the development of quantum mechanics and the study of black holes. Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. He was a pacifist and spoke out against nuclear weapons. Charles Darwin. Darwin was an English naturalist who proposed the theory of evolution and natural selection, which explains how species change over time. He traveled on the HMS Beagle to study the flora and fauna of South America and the Galapagos Islands. Darwin's ideas were controversial at the time and challenged traditional religious beliefs. He published his most famous work, On the Origin of Species, in 1859. Marie Curie. Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist who is known for her work on radioactivity. She discovered the elements radium and polonium and was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize for her work in physics in 1903. She won a second Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1911. Curie was also the first female professor at the University of Paris. Galileo Galilei. Galileo was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and mathematician who made significant contributions to our understanding of motion and astronomy. He is known for his observations of the phases of Venus, which provided evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system. Galileo also made improvements to the telescope, which allowed him to observe the moons of Jupiter. He was accused of heresy by the Catholic Church for his support of heliocentrism. Nicolas Tesla. Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor and electrical engineer who made significant contributions to the development of the modern alternating current AC electrical system. He also worked on wireless communication and the development of X-rays. Tesla had over 300 patents for his inventions and was a rival of Thomas Edison. He died in poverty in 1943. Thomas Edison. Edison was an American inventor and businessman who developed the practical incandescent light bulb and the phonograph, among other inventions. He held over 1,000 patents and is often credited with the quote, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." Edison also developed the first electric power distribution system. He was a founder of General Electric. Louis Pasteur. Pasteur was a French microbiologist and chemist who developed pasteurization, a process that helps prevent the spoilage of food and drink by killing bacteria and other microorganisms. He also developed vaccines for anthrax and rabies. Pasteur's work laid the foundation for the field of microbiology. He was a member of the French Academy of Sciences. Johannes Kepler. Kepler was a German mathematician and astronomer who developed the laws of planetary motion, which helped us better understand the movements of the planets. He also worked on optics and developed a method for determining the prescription of eyeglasses. Kepler's work laid the foundation for Isaac Newton's laws of motion. He was a Protestant and his mother was accused of witchcraft. Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday was an English scientist who made significant contributions to the development of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. He discovered electromagnetic induction, which is the process of generating an electrical current through a changing magnetic field. Faraday also developed the concept of an electromagnetic field, which helped to explain how electric and magnetic forces interact. He was a member of the Royal Society and gave popular scientific lectures to the public. James Clerk Maxwell. Maxwell was a Scottish physicist who developed the theory of electromagnetism, which helped to unify the study of electricity and magnetism. He is known for his 4 equations, which describe how electric and magnetic fields interact. Maxwell also made significant contributions to the study of optics and color perception. He was a professor at the University of Cambridge and was the first person to suggest that radio waves could be used for communication. Rosalind Franklin. Franklin was a British biophysicist who made significant contributions to our understanding of the structure of DNA. She worked on X-ray crystallography, which is a technique used to determine the 3-dimensional structure of molecules. Franklin's work helped to provide key insights into the double helix structure of DNA, which was discovered by Watson and Crick. Franklin's contributions were largely unrecognized during her lifetime, but she is now recognized as a pioneering scientist in her field. Stephen Hawking. Hawking was a British theoretical physicist who made significant contributions to our understanding of black holes and the origins of the universe. He developed the concept of Hawking radiation, which is the process by which black holes lose energy and eventually evaporate. Hawking also wrote several popular science books, including A Brief History of Time, which made complex scientific concepts accessible to the general public. He was diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21 and was largely confined to a wheelchair for most of his life. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 13 scientists we have discussed in this video have left an indelible mark on the world of science. From the laws of motion to the theory of relativity, from the structure of DNA to the process of pasteurization, their discoveries and innovations have shaped the way we live our lives and understand the universe around us. As we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge and exploration, it is important to remember the contributions of these great minds and to honor their legacy as we move forward into the future. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video and channel. We will back with more interesting videos on science, religion, sports and politics. Goodbye.